Today is Tuesday, folks. This is Shippy the Explorer. We are exploring Lawrence Tavern, West Road, St. Andrew. Right now we are in Lawrence Tavern. We can look at the post police station and the post office behind. And so we start another day. We are ended up into King Weston again to explore construction work at the Little House on the side of the hill. Welcome to the station, and I trust that you're okay, and well, greetings from warm, sunny Jamaica to the rest of the world. Stay tuned for more of this video as we go along. We'll bring you highlights of today's activities. This is Tuesday, and we are expecting to see great footage of this countryside. Right now we are at the taxi stands. This used to be an old graveyard, Mr. Clough's place, and you can see now the taxis are lined up. The place was bought out by Clark, and so things have changed in 40 years. But that's how life is. This is Oberlin Water Christian Church, Disciples of Christ. Here we go, past Oberlin High School. Right. Yeah, we're looking on Stony Hill at Lawrence Tavern. Again, folks. We're passing the house that I built again, once again. And we're in Lassie Green now. All of it is Lassie Green. 76 acres of it. It was ancestral home right here. Rosedale Road. Okay. This is Belmont Square.
No danger.
Look for the state and condition already. Start fix already. If they want
So the number of years that these shop guys have developed grocery and meat, a lot of butchering takes place up in here. So these are a lot of improvements. Look over Pleasant Spring. Sooner or later, I think Pleasant Spring will be developed. It's a gorgeous development. Over Munchars. Breadfruit roasted on the side of the road. Normally when we do this, you pick up the music. Yeah.
You don't pick up it.
Like you get a trouble with it. Yeah, just 1 second. That's Brandon Hill folks again, and Keatal and Junction, and the foothills of Blue Mountain. And the boss, he says he's not from here, but him don't know. He's supposed to know they are saddlers them.
You know what them.
Yeah.
They are long enough.
Okay. So these are Saddler and Makulskis. And then when we used to come here, so you used to see the sea.
Yeah.
From here, not the bay.
Not a bay.
Yeah, when it's a clear day. But I guess they said the sand is in the here. Used to see the sea bouncing on the walls right now. So yeah. That's St. Mary, folks, and not the bay. Yeah, right in that valley, right in that. Right, yeah. This used to see the sea from that side, from way up here. And when you go down there, it's one of the most beautiful view. Looking back up.
Yeah, look back in the hills.
Yeah. I'll tell you. We're now in King Western, folks. And Western, not Western. Yet again. From here you can see Unity and Munchars. So a lot of development has taken place up here in 40 years that we live up here, and so progress continues to this day. Right. Except the road. I'll tell you, this used to be Roy Silana's place. You can say Bass live, you know? Yeah, you know so many people now. These houses are right in the road. Oh, big trucks pass. It's a danger to them. Also,
Yeah.
right now we're saying we're in St. Andrew, but there's a map that shows that they want to take away King Weston and make it St. Mary. You heard that?
Yeah, because when I take the pictures,
Yeah.
the pictures read King Weston and St. Mary on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
take
that-
a certain picture,
Yeah.
the St. Mary.
Yeah, they want to capture this stretch of land, which not right because the river come around and set the boundary. So I don't know how they. There's a lot of beef shop people here. So you got locked up in a truck. Oh Lord. Drunk in the middle day.
Nice park truck. And my car's on the road, man. It looks like it gets out of control.
Oh boy. Yeah, so we're back at King Weston Primary School. And so the video starts to get down to the gully. How much we weigh, eh? 150 now?
Yeah.
Cool. Alright. The Shippy the Explorer. SHIPPY.
Yeah. Ship.
The Explorer.
Okay.
So you can say hi to the world.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Alright. Tell them subscribe.
Man, like, share, and subscribe.
I tell you. Alright, thanks. Cool. Alright, cool. And so yet again we're at King Weston Primary and Infant School, folks. And you've seen this, but you have never seen the hockey growing beside the road. Look at that. So you saw where I showed this the other day. It's the valleys of the road. Looking now, I should have explained that Scotsall. That's the road that leads to one of the 5 maroon settlements in Jamaica. That's the road that goes over into Scotsall. You're right down here, and the valley down there is Junction again. And so we're back into this famous spot that we saw in another tape, but because we are going to the progress of the house, yet again Shippy the Explorer is taking you into the hillside of St. Andrew. Look at that. And at this moment you don't hear a sound from a vehicle. Only the birds and some human sound and the goats. Yet again you'd wonder how the farmers farm on this slope, but they are. Here we go. Today she's taking our kids to another level, to another direction. Same goat that we have been seeing from the other day. And here we are, sugarcane on the side of the road. And the goats seem to be going to market. Yet again we look onto the hillside and we wonder, how do people make houses on this side of the terrain? It's, I'm telling you, it's 45 degrees or steeper. But yet again, you can see Houses are everywhere, small and large. And yet again, we come back to the oldest house in the neighborhood. That's been sitting here for dozens of years, maybe 100 or more years. And storm has come and go, and yet it still stands. Here we are. The zinc is lifting. It started. Parts of the roof is held on by stones sitting on top, and yet it is still standing for maybe over 100 years. The oldest house. There we go. But you can see they're taking some pride with it, because even the lawn is nice, lush zazia grass. So here we go, we are back in King Weston, in the Weston Elementary School, and we are taking our right and going to another track into Seawant Bushes, but yet again, you won't be surprised because the house is here. There we go, and so we go. I'll tell you. Hey! Brand new house in the valley. Hey! Is that Whitehead? Oh, I heard you from Lawrence Tavern. Yeah? I heard your voice from Lawrence Tavern.
No, it's not very powerful.
What you cuss them out for?
Yeah?
Yeah, cuss them out.
Cuss?
Hey. So here we are. The boxing is now down, and so you can see the boxing is off, and this looks like a brand new house. Hey Barry, you know I'm not saying nothing. How to open to you? Sick again?
No, sir. Yeah, alright, I know. I'm fine. You're fine for me. What?
Oh jeez, you want rum or you want whiskey?
Anything?
Alright, you can handle you can have 50-year-old whiskey?
Yes, man.
Alright.
Hey, I just talk about whiskey, sis. You know, Lauren, hold on. I just talk about whiskey, sis. I remember when I had up America there, up now there, up on the farm. I used to squeeze apple, you know, in the factory.
Right.
And it was half away, I drink. And it sure, one could tip a sitting in one glass, give me. So what is this? I drink a whiskey. And you turn back one throat and drink outside. Jesus, come out of shame.
Where's the go for?
Knock me out too.
That's what he's talking about. Where you were? You were in Florida?
Eh?
You were in Florida or Connecticut?
No, that's side up got your place in name. I come back to Florida. That night in Florida.
Wow.
I was Palm Beach.
Wow.
I go back up on Carlton, Mattis and Jim, all of them, and I take me away.
Wow.
I carry me out to decide to do. I'm so sure the first time I know my bad about my boat sick, I'm inside to show you know. I'm a breach it, because I never got scratch. That's why they are saying back to me.
Wow.
One down from the side of you went to I tell you man out the boat paper to go.
My name pick you up, me I tape it. You get in trouble in the old age. Oh Lord. Yeah, me decide to come up and look on the handiwork. Good. Mr. Whitehead, what he's doing is flashing out the rough.
Blow it up the rough part.
Build it out this. Yes. Looks good, man. Wow. What do you think of Barry? Barry not say nothing.
We have to fix up Barry one.
Eh?
We have to fix him up kind of married and I'm like you.
We know one girl up here, you know what him marry off the girl, you know.
Barry, what?
All you have to do is...
Best man, yeah? I think was serious
Bird
best
man
man.
have to be best man. Him.
Hey.
Take him out the girl. You can't make out to be best man. You want to take him out.
It has to be flashed in. Wow. Yes, sirree.
Can't find after that like this.
Some more there, some more there.
So this is what the house looks like now.
Go over the brother.
And picking more lime, Barry, or lime done? Lime done now. Eh? Wow. Woo. Okay. Alright, so you see the little house in the side of the mountain, folks. You can see progress. And let's go inside and see if we can see what else to doing in here. Go with law? Okay. So the electrician came, and you can see he has put in his electrical box. Wow. So that's all he did. That's all he do? Put in the box? You know, run now. Oh, you run some switches. Okay. Wow. So I have to know he's gonna do. They're trying to catch up this edge to match the one that. So the electrical light thing has been put in, and you can now see how the bathroom looks. Wow. So he has put in that hedge. And so that's the progress of the house, folks. That's the progress. So things are getting done. And so things continue. So here we are. Chavez Royal 12-year-old premium Scotch whiskey. We are going to do a libation of the area. It's 12 years old, cured, and 24 years. 24 years. So it's 30-something years old. Right. And so this is what we do. Libation, the African way. Wow. Yeah, the ancestors. Yes, sir. Oh, sir, this tastes like medicine. Oh, yeah, I mean, we'll draw to all of me. You drink yours and me one for you. Okay. All right, so that's it. You've seen the Africans do it. You've seen their ancestors do it. And so, you done yours already? No. Then we let you give Charles. Now you look for your daddy to your son to your daddy. All right, so that's it. Well, this is the end of the tape, the day. We're looking at the house now. You can look, you can see the walls looking like a house. And so, 360 degrees. The house in the country. That's bathroom. And this one we get the tiles in this week. And looking good. Electrical panels are in. Switch boxes are in. And so, right. The yard looked like a mess. But the house in the hills, looking good. Good. Here we are. Okay. So we close off this tape for the day and say, okay, this has been a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. Thanks. Love you to subscribe. Ship It Explorer. See you on our next adventure. I wish we could get the coconuts, but they're too high up. All right.